Hello everyone and welcome to this new Neoswing video tutorial in English. Today I'm going to show you another move that I call the one leg shuffle. Now this is probably the coolest move in Neoswing and it may be as well my final Neoswing tutorial, even though I'm not sure. Anyways, enough talking for now, and so let's get straight to dance time. Now, this move is very difficult and there are also a lot of variations. So first of all, I will teach you how to perform the basic one leg shuffle, which is this one. And to do it, you have to know how to perform the basic side shuffle, which is this move. And you will also need a variation of the side shuffle, which is this one. And if you don't know how to perform a side shuffle or this side shuffle variation, you can click here because I made a tutorial before. Now, for the one who know how to perform a side shuffle, let's get started. So why did I choose the name one leg shuffle? Well, because the one leg shuffle is a side shuffle but with just one leg. So let me show you. This is the side shuffle. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now if you stand in this position and you lift a leg, you can do the same movement, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, standing on just one leg. So how do you do it? Well, normally when you stand on the left foot, you go right, and when you stand on the right foot, you go left, so this way. And however, to do some variations of this move, you will also have to learn to go left standing on the left foot and to go right standing on the right foot. So you will need every combination. Now, as I said, this move is very similar to a side shuffle, because if you wanted to do a side shuffle, you would do something like this, so with both legs, just to show you. However, this move is more difficult because, well, you have to keep all your weight on one leg and moreover you risk to lose balance. Anyways, if you practice enough, you should be able to do this, and if you manage to do this move, you are more than halfway done. Now, what if you want to do this movement? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So the basic one leg shuffle variation. Well, you start in this position, you lift the right foot, and the left foot simply does this. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Meanwhile, you have to lay down the other foot in different positions. For example, you do 1 here, and 2 to the side, and 3 again, and then the 4 is very important because you have to do this, and 4. Well, you have to get in this position because now you have to put all your weight to the right foot because you have to lift the left foot. So let me show you again. You do, for example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You put all your weight here, and then you do and then you simply do the opposite movement. So 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and you're done. So now I will show you some variations, but I won't explain every single one because once you understand the pattern, it becomes very simple to learn them. Anyways, I will explain how to do one of them because I was told in a comment to do it, and so I will teach you this particular move by a YouTuber whose name is Viconeo or Viconeo, I don't know how to pronounce it. But let's start from the beginning. So what can you change in this move? Well, first of all, you can change what you do with your right foot. For example, you can do something like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Or you can do what I call a reverse one-leg shuffle. So you stand on the left foot, but you go left. So, for example, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Or you can even mix them, so the reverse and non-reverse. And you can do this variation by me, for example, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Or what else? Well, you don't need to go 4 tempos to the right and 4 tempos to the left. You can go 2 and 2, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Or you can even do something completely different. For example, I took this move from smiling, and this is very different because it's more like a front and back, because it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Or there is the one-leg shuffle by Viconeo, which is a reverse one-leg shuffle where you have to change direction every tempo. So you start in this position and you start with the end movement, so end 1, and as you see, if you want to go left, you go on your left foot, so it's a reverse one-leg shuffle, and you do end 1, then you change foot, so you do and 2, you go right on your right foot, and 2, and then you continue, and 3, and 4, changing foot every tempo. And if you do it smoothly, it looks like this, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now don't worry if you can't do it as smooth as Viconeo, because of course he's been dancing since a long time. So I'd say that we are done for today, and if you can't do this move, don't worry, because it is difficult, you need a lot of practice, a lot of time, and more importantly, you need to know the side shuffle first. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next episode.